In this video, it's split into three parts. The first part shows a script doing a factory reset of a Cisco C2950 switch. The second part will run another script which will automatically apply an initial configuration to the switch to get it onto the management network. And in the third and final part, we'll run yet another script which will access the switch over the network using an automated SSH session, and it will add in additional configuration. Let's get started with the first part, factory reset a Cisco C2950 switch. I have a Cisco switch which is connected via a serial cable and the switch has a configuration on it. Which looks like this. Names of the interfaces and speeds, and some additional VLANs. I want to erase the configuration on this switch. I run this script and it tells me to do these actions. Firstly, I will switch off the switch. Press return. I'm now pressing the mode button, powering on the switch, and I've released the mode button and the switch is booting. We can see that the configuration file config.txt has been automatically removed, hence removing the current configuration. The switch has been reset to factory defaults. Let's just double check that. And straight away I can get into the switch without supplying a password because it's been factory reset. And if I show the running configuration, we can see that the previous configurations for the interfaces have been removed and we only have the one default VLAN 1. So that's the switch reset to factory defaults with a script. I hope you enjoyed part 1. Let's move on to part 2 where we apply an initial configuration onto the switch. The switch has been reset to factory defaults. We have two files. This file is the initial configuration. The second file is a script. Let's run the script. It connects to the switch over a serial link and sends the configuration commands. The crypto command takes a while. Time for a coffee. We are back. The switch has an initial configuration. Let's try and log in via SSH. And we now have an initial configuration loaded onto the switch. And we can contact the switch over the network and log in using SSH. And now we move on to part 3, where we're going to add additional configuration by automating an SSH session. I set up a couple of passwords. This is the additional configuration. A couple of extra VLANs and some port descriptions. I run the SSH Cisco script. It connects via SSH and deploys the config. Let's log in and check. And here we can see the descriptions and speeds on the first 6 interfaces and the additional VLANs. Looking good. Well, I hope that you enjoyed watching those 3 short videos, all combined into this one video here on YouTube. If you have any questions or would like to get in touch, my email address is on the screen. Thank you for watching.